Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Jay, back with another sneaker unboxing. This time around, we got the black infrared 6s. Real quick, we're gonna go around the box. As you can see, I got the 11.5 right there, black and infrared. All right, these retail $200. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's retail for $200, black and infrared. So let's get into it, man. Y'all here to see the sneakers. Yeah, these is nice. I'm feeling these a lot. All right, let me go ahead and get them out the box. We can take a little tour around, check them out. All right, man, real quick, we're going to take a little tour around. The best and one of the most important parts, they could put the Nike Air at the back of it instead of the Jordan. That's true OG right there. Got the nubuck, or suede, however you want to call it. Nice nubuck this time. It don't look as dingy or ashy as they look sometimes. You see the hits of the infrared. All right, some of the hits of the infrared we got. You see the Jumpman up front of the tongue, plus the lace lock with Nike right there, and the Jordan Jumpman on the other side. On the actual tongue at the top, got Jordan right here, going around with the infrared hit on the spoiler on the back, Nike Air OG style on the back, icy outsole on the bottom with the big Jumpman infrared. Now, if you didn't know, this is the sneaker that Jordan wore in the '91 championship, or he won his first championship. That's probably why it's such a hot sneaker, man. It got a lot of history behind it. You know what I'm saying? Plus, you can't never go wrong with a mostly black or all black sneaker. It's just clean, man, with the little hits of infrared, just set it off. You know what I'm saying? All in all, a nice, clean sneaker. You know, these really look good on feet. Right now, I don't even think it does justice. So let me get them on feet, man. I'll let y'all see that and check that out. Alright, well, that was just a real quick unboxing / on foot of the 6 infrareds, man. Like I said, I think these is fire. I can always appreciate how good and how true they go OG on these sneakers. But let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all think about these? Did y'all cop or what? And if you want to consider subscribing, go and subscribe to the channel for more quick sneaker reviews, among other stuff in the future. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.